The National Weather Service in North Platte has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Cherry County in north-central Nebraska until 3 p.m. At 2:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 6 miles east of Crookston and moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Flying debris will be deadly to people and animals. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Valentine, Smith Falls State Park, Sparks, and Highway 97 crossing the Niobrara River. This includes Highway 83 between mile markers 202 and 222. This includes Highway 20 between mile markers 181 and 205. This includes Highway 97 between mile markers 133 and 141. This tornado warning replaces the severe thunderstorm warning that was in effect for the same area. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.